Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm on Royal Caribbean's icon of the seas. We're here at Surfside, home of this giant flamingo. Let's check it out. Alright, here at Surfside, gotta climb these steps to get in here. This is like the kids zone, kids place. But it's very well made, very well done up. This is Surfside. As you can see here on the giant surfboard, they have a carousel on board here. Yeah, like mostly your like Oasis class ships, here on the icon, they have a carousel. Kids, they love their sugar, and they have an arcade here. Yep. Sometimes us big kids like this too. Alright, over here they have ice cream. Hello. Yeah, everyone loves ice cream. Not just the little kids, big kids too. A place for kids to hang out, play on this jungle gym thing. Quick bites to eat. Yeah. Ooh, nice breeze here. Look at this splash area though. If I was a kid, I would love this. I don't know, who am I kidding? I'm a big kid. I would love this. To run through that. Remember when you were younger? You used to run through the lawn sprinkler? It's like the grown-up version of it. Maybe not grown up of age, but it got bigger. Look at this. I got these dump buckets. Got lifeguards to keep an eye on your kids. All kinds of places for your kids to play and get wet. Fountains, sprayers, dump buckets, all kinds of fun stuff for the kiddies. Yeah. Nice breeze too. Wonderful breeze here in the Caribbean. Doesn't make good video, but it does definitely feel good. They even have a place here for the babies. The little babies have their own little splash area. Look at this. They got their own fountains and slides for the babies. Got a spot over here, I guess, for the bigger kids. Got slides over here. And way up there, that's where the big kids hang out. That's actually the edge of the hideaway. That's the adult section on the icon of the seas. Hopefully you've seen that video. And yeah, isn't this fun? Looks fun to me. And there you have it, the Surfside on Royal Caribbean's icon of the seas. And here's me, Mr. Shadow 1969. Hope you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Can't believe it. Carousel. Carousel on a cruise ship. What could be more fun than that?